Greetings, RC Model Geeks, and here we are in the shed yet again for part 7 of the PB Models Crescent Bullet build. So yesterday we did some covering. We done half of the bottom wing there and the tail feathers over there. And today we're going to carry on with the wing. Oh, and it's still a bit dusty in here. So yeah, we're going to cover the bottom wing, and then we're going to do the top side, plus of course the ailerons. So the iron is on over there with my cup of coffee and the hot air gun. So we're going to cut another panel out and get it ironed down onto this wing. So back when I've done some more covering. Right, Pete's been over this morning, so I didn't get a chance to finish that second wing yet. Still working on that. But what we did do, I thought I'd show you, is we've cut the nose off the fuselage. Obviously we want to be able to get to the motor and stuff like that in the future. And so we've basically cut it off. There you go. And there's the hole for the nose leg there, just in the middle. And I can't take credit for this this idea, unfortunately, but it's a brilliant one. And if I give this a tug, let's see if I can get hold of it with one hand. There you go. The whole nose comes off, and that's where your motor would be mounted there. And there is the inside of the cowling there. Now that is held on by bullet connectors. I don't know if you can see them there, 4 of them. Yeah, and then the opposite part of that is in here. So you can basically pull the whole nose off and get to your motor. The motor's mounted on here, boom boom boom, Bob's your uncle. And then that just pushes back on. Nice neat idea that. I wish I had thought of it, but I didn't. It was actually on some instructions that came with this plane. And yeah, that was the idea they came up with, and I thought it was quite a good idea. And you can just push it back on. There you go. So yeah, brilliant. That all works quite lovely. So now we've got that done, I'm going to get back on with the wing and get that second checker done. So back with you soon. Okay, so yeah, busy afternoon. So both sides of the checker are done on the underside, and that looks all very nice. And if I turn it over, one side of the top side of the yellow is done. As you can see, it's got a white tip there. And it's sort of halfway around there like that. So yes, not bad, not bad. I haven't done as much as I expected. I was trying to decide what to do with the tip. Originally I was going to put the checker there where the white is, but it was just a nightmare to line up all the boxes. So I decided just to do that white with a black stripe over the join there. And I think that looks quite nice and simple, and it'll look good. Now the other thing I've done this afternoon was I started to look at the canopy, and I've sprayed that black. There it is. And I'll just grab the fuse and stick it on the wing, and then we can have a look at what it's going to look like with the canopy on there. So back in a second. Okay, so here's the fuselage on there, and here's the canopy, and the canopy is going to sit down basically. Where's it going to go? Probably somewhere there like that. It's a bit springy at the moment, so it won't stay down. But yeah, that's all going to look very, very nice, I think, once it's all sorted out. So yeah, still got that side panel there to do, and of course the ailerons. They need to be yellow on the top and checker on the bottom of them. And look at, of course, it's all got to line up with the checker that's already on there. Now I'm thinking I might just put a white tip on these on the horizontal stab. I'm not sure yet, just to match up with what's on the wing there. So that's an option I'm still deciding on. And then of course we've got to cover the fuselage, and the fuselage, the bottom half of it is going to be yellow, and the top half is going to be white, and then it's going to have that same black line like on there over the join running down the fuselage sort of centre or something. So that's my idea at the moment. Also, obviously, we've got to do some kind of name for it, or graphic or whatever to go on the wing. So I'm working out something to do with Bullet. That'll have to be cut out of vinyl, and of course I hand cut that, so that's going to take a while. So I want to design this as simple as possible. Yeah. So there you go, and that is it for the day. Not as much done as I hoped, but that plug-on cowling came out very nice, like that. That works nice. And yeah, the whole plane is certainly coming together. A couple of more days, and this will be almost ready to fly, I would have thought. It's certainly not far off. So I'll see you all again hopefully tomorrow. I think Pete's turning up sometime tomorrow to give a hand again. So I'll see you all then. Bye.
Thank you for watching Captain Rob's RC Model Geeks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more of the same type of videos, don't forget you can subscribe. If you want to support us, you can use PayPal, paypal.me/RC Model Geeks. If you want to contact us, you can email us rcmodelgeeks@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.